I have some announcements. Tatak ng Pagbabago 2019, the pre-SONA Forum. We'd like to announce that ahead of the fourth State of the Nation address of the President, 6 cabinet clusters will be holding a 3-part pre-SONA forum titled Tatak ng Pagbabago 2019 to discuss the administration's package of policies and programs as well as triumphs in pursuing genuine and lasting change. Patuloy ng Pagunlad will be the first forum to be held on July 1st, 2019 at the Philippine International Convention Center. It will be spearheaded by the Economic Development Cluster and the Infrastructure Cluster. Discussions will focus on the administration's game-changing reforms to attain sustainable and exclusive development. Patuloy ng malasakit at pagkakaisa will follow on July 10, 2019 in Cebu to discuss the respective policies, programs, and projects of the Participatory Governance Cluster and the Human Development and Poverty Reduction Cluster in providing every Filipino people broader access to education, employment, healthcare, and government services. And lastly, Patuloy ng Katatagan will be held on July 17, 2019 in Davao City. It will be spearheaded by the Climate Change Adaptation Mitigation, and this is the Risk Reduction Cluster and the Security, Justice, and Peace Cluster to discuss measures in ensuring the country's ecological integrity, as well as national security and public order and safety. Each forum will include an open forum with cabinet secretaries and officials of its cluster and will be live streamed in the Facebook pages of the PCO and its attached agencies such as PTV and Radio Pilipinas.
Question?
Ina?
Jenaline Kabiling.
Alam ko si Ina na eh.
Jenaline.
Cheryl?
Sir Jen.
Jen?
Sir, has the President started drafting the SONA, and may we know at least the framework of his upcoming address?
What I know is that the department secretaries are giving their inputs for the draft.
Will he be reading a prepared speech, or it would be an extemporaneous one?
Hindi natin alam naman si Presidente.